The Canadian Pacific Holiday Train rolled into Estevan December 17th to spread some Christmas spirit and to help those in need. The holiday train started back in 1999 as a way for CP to get involved in the communities they pass through. Since its inception, the program has raised $6.4 million and over 2.6 million pounds of food for food banks in Canada and the U.S. This year, CP made a $2,000 donation to the Estevan Salvation Army, and everyone in attendance was encouraged to bring non-perishable food items to donate.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
In addition to helping out the less fortunate, the holiday train also provided some great entertainment for everyone who braved the weather. Even Santa stopped by to hand out candy canes to the kids. For EstevanMercury.ca, I'm Reese Kelso.